Hi, I am Amarnath and my teammates are Karthik Aravind, Penyan, Balamurugan. I have done a project on phishing detection. My project tends to detect the phishing websites. What are phishing websites? Phishing websites tends to steal the user information like username, password and some bank details etc. Machine learning is used to predict the phishing website. The major phases of this projects are model building, app building, deploying the model on cloud, creating templates. Now I am going to explain about the model building. Here I have created a machine learning model, which is a classification model. It is also a supervised machine learning model. Here I have imported the models like pandas, numpy, and scikit-learn, just needed for this machine learning model. Here then I have uploaded the data set which I get from the which is provided by the IBM. The dataset contains 32 columns and the 10,000 rows. Here, first I am going to pre-process the data. Pre-processing like removing the null values, handling the missing values, etc. Here I am checking for any null values. The result says that all the fields are false, so there are no null values. So the data is clean. Then we can proceed with the model building with this data set. Here I have to take two variable x and y, where x is the input and y is for output. Here in x I have to remove columns like index and result, and in y I have removed the entire column except the result. Then I am going to split the data into training data as well as testing data. In training data as well as testing data. Then I am going to build a model with the help of machine learning algorithms. Here this is a classification model, so I have used models like logistic regression, random forest, decision tree, support vector machine, k-neighbors, etc. Out of this, the random forest has achieved a high accuracy, which is around 0.96. So I am going to deploy this model for predicting the phishing website. Now I am going to show about the Flash framework. Here I have used HTML and CSS. This is my final HTML page. Starting page used with the help of index.html. I have used the styles, cascading style sheet. Here I have used a script file which is used to get the input from the URL. Like if the length of the URL is less than 54, then it will return 1, or else it will return 0. Based on that URL, we can get the values. Here I have built a Flash framework which run the templates like index.html, final.html, and I also imported the machine learning model in the Flash framework. Flash framework is to deploy the template and the machine learning model in the server, and which you can access with the help of web browser. Let's see the demo of this model. And I am going to copy this host. Here this the starting page look like this. Some basic information about my project. Then I have to give scan now. Here I have to enter the URL which I am going to predict whether it is a phishing URL or not. Here I am giving a Mozilla. Then I am going to predict this model. The output says that you are safe, this is a legitimate website. Then it is implied that the URL is not a phishing website. So it is good to use. Thank you, that's all.